How to log in to PhotoMath mobile app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to PhotoMath mobile app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up PhotoMath. You can get the app from Google Play Store or your App Store. After you get your app, you can just skip through this, or you can, just choose whatever you want as well. You can go through the tutorial, and after you do that, you can sign in into this using your Google account. So there you can see you can get help with equations and word problems in the Google app. So if you tap on try now, it will just take you to your Google app, and yeah, just let it load. And now you might have to give it permission or open it up. So while you do that, when you have your Google account connected, you can simply log in with your account. So head over to the settings here. You can see that there is no actual other way that you can log in. There is no account needed for your PhotoMath. So the only thing that you can do that is close to logging in is you can simply use your Google account. So you can make sure that your Google account is linked. So tap on try now and then log in using your Google, or your Google will already have your account logged in, so you don't even have to do that. And that is how you can log in into PhotoMath mobile app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.